Imagine having an AI email assistant that answers your email without you. Hi everyone, I'm Abdurrahman. In this video, I will show you how to build an AI email assistant. And if you are ready, let's dive right into the build. Let's quickly move to n8n and create a workflow. We can rename this workflow. I rename it AI email spot. We'll create a new node, that is Gmail. A message received. We'll connect it with our credential. We'll sign it with Google. I'll choose my account, select all, so that I will give the n8n access. We must start enable the Gmail API before it works. First move to Google Cloud and move to the console and search Gmail API, then enable it and try to connect it again. Select all, continue, and our account connected successful, as we see here. You can also rename the workflow, name the Gmail, I'll name it watch email. The mode can be every minute, every hour, every day. I will just leave it every minute. See messages. We can add any filter. Let's fetch and see last email that was sent to us. Yeah, and here's the email that was sent to me. Let me watch it in the table format. There's the ID, snippet, payload, and actually here is the email in it cloud. Let me try to send another one using different account to my account. Let me send it and try to fetch. Here's it. I have done it. I'll try to fetch it within the n8n that we have just connect, and here's it. It fetched the last email. Here's the text, the ID from message ID, and all the necessary things. Here's the text there. Cyber International School Team, Assalamu alaikum, till the end. We'll add the next node, which is text classifier. Actually, this node will take the email I sent, which is this JSON.text, and I will define categories. If this email is customer support, it will do this automation, and you can copy the description that I wrote. I'll add the other category if it orders that is not customer support, that is like greeting and something that is not customer support. Here's the description. You can also copy it. We'll add a module. So I'll use OpenAI, which if you have a free trial on n8n, they'll give you a free 100 credit to start with. There's the customer. If it's customer support, the email is related to customer support, to do this automation that I'll add. And if it's order, I'll add no operation. That means it will not do anything. If it's orders, that is, if it's not any emails, any customer support. And if it's customer support, I will add the rest of the workflow that will run. I'll define the system prompt. I will take the email that was sent. That is yeah, here's it, text. I'll just drag and drop it. Make sure it is in expression. Then I'll add the system prompt. I'll tell the AI what the AI should do. Here's it. You can also copy it, post it, and copy the prompt, or just ask ChatGPT to generate a prompt for you. And that is it. Yeah, going almost on our way. We'll add a module, that is, I'll use OpenAI. I'll just adjust this. Yeah, I'll organize it well. Then we'll add a memory. Just add the simple memory. Add a tool to the email assistant, and the tool is Pinecone Vector Store. I'll add a name. After connecting credential, I'll add a name. Is knowledge base. I'll add a description. I'll also select index, which is that chatbot. I'll also add namespace. Make sure the namespace is the same with that namespace that we have created when uploading to the Pinecone database, because if it's not the same, it will freak out and have some bug. But if the name is correct, we are ready to go. Almost there. We'll add embedding. OpenAI. Use OpenAI embedding here. Make sure the model is the same with that one that you choose from the Pinecone. And we're almost done. We just need to add some. We do not label with text. We test this. Oh, okay, we have an error. Here is the simple memory. Okay, we don't need it. We'll just delete it. Sorry, let's on it again. Yeah, workflow was successful. Let's open it and see. Yeah, it replied, but we have a problem. Add a subject, which we just need the content. Yes, we just need the content, so we'll just prompt it well, so that that subject that was added. I'll just add some little prompt. The system prompt. I'll give you some instruction. and it need to add some emojis so that the message should be good, engageable, attractive. Actually, let me yeah, here's the instruction. I'll add some instruction. Reply friendly and emojis. Don't include subject. Yeah, then we'll test it again. Yes, and that's it. It gives us the output. We'll just add the email so that it will reply that email. Has the message action, add label. We'll add a label. Has it, we'll connect it, add a label. Resources will be message, operation will be add label. Then we'll get the message ID. We'll leave this at, we'll add label name as customer support. The message ID will drag and drop it. Make sure it's expression, not fixed. We'll add the reply message reply to a message, as it will fill out the details after connecting message. It will be the action, operation will be reply. Will also, don't leave it at fix. Make sure it should be expression so that we'll drag and drop the message ID. Here's the message ID and here's it. Drag and drop it. Text message will grab the message that is, will go to this agent output. Yeah, that is the message. We'll add this append n8n attribute that if you check it out, if you don't check it out, it will, if you send the email to say that this email was sent from it, we get a problem in Gmail. What is that problem? And this is okay. Let me check. Let's check the label and find the what is the, let me just set this again. Oh, subhanallah, I get another email and problem in no Gmail, but the request please check it. Let's check it and try to debug. Maybe this message ID, let me check it. It's not the correct message ID. Let me check. It might not be the correct message ID. You must be careful. Message ID. You must be careful. Oh, yeah, okay. Let me check this message ID. Maybe it might be the problem. There are too much IDs there, so you must be careful which one to choose. I think it might be this first ID. No, okay, this message trigger ID. Let's test and see. Test the workflow running. Yeah, successful. Alhamdulillah. And here is it, the reply that was given. It's nicely formatted. I think it might look like a real person replied to this message. It's actually a good AI agent that you can implement it in your business. If you're running a business, you just focus on the business, not on some random email and some stuff that will distract it. You just need to check the inbox and see email, and you will not be losing customers or lead. Let me reply and see if it will reply to me again. Thank you for respond. Let's test the workflow again. Alright, successful. Let's check it. Let me check my email. Let me check for the email I sent. Email. That's it. I see. Thank you for the response. Okay. I have it. Reply. Thank you for the response. And I reply. Thank you for warm response to this till the end. Looking forward to connecting soon. It's really exciting. Just go back. I'll try another one. I'll try to send a message that is not a customer support, and I'll see what will happen. There's a little bit greeting that it's not customer support. Good morning. Send it. Let me go and I have it. Let me check my inbox for the message. It's the inbox I have just sent. Yeah, here's it. Message greetings. Good morning. Let me go and test the workflow. Actually, yeah, here's it. There is no operation, nothing happened. because it's not any customer support agent. Any customer question or comment. And here is the item. Here is the subject, the text, email address that was sent. Here is the subject. So much about the email, the ID, subject, and text as HTML, all but the email, and nothing happened because it's not related to customer support. If you want to make this flow to work anytime you receive email, just make this button active. And that is the complete step to build an AI email agent. And if you want more content on AI automation, definitely subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below on which automation do you want me to build next.